So I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of winging it. As in, I'm doing natural eyes because on all the pictures I've seen either blue or naturals, and I like the ones with like the natural eye colours, like the browns and golds. And then with the whites and a bit of glitter. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Nearly halfway through my eyes. Going in with some glitter. Gold, mid eyeball. And then I'm gonna go a little bit darker in the crease. So right now I'm not sure if what type of hairstyle I'm going with Cinderella, because I've seen a few different styles. I've seen one style with like, she's got this weird straight round bun around her head. And then the other one I've just seen like curly cute updos. So I think I'm trying to do the curly cute updo, but if that doesn't work, where's the donut thing? So if that doesn't work, I've got this, which will go on my head like so. Or I've got this fake fringe. I'm gonna try that out. But if that doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Struggles of not knowing what you're doing. Cinderella wears, in the pictures, big stud sparkly earrings. Or in some pictures she wears dangly. But I chose to have the studs, because I got some. We're in Hollywood. Hey guys, sorry, I have been very much concentrating on getting ready, so I haven't really talked to you guys, but I'm actually up to the stage of putting my yellow ribbon around my little bun up top there. Up top in the updo! Yes, I'm just gonna wrap it around because Belle wears a yellow ribbon in her hair. Yeah. And my costume came with this beautiful headband. Such a beautiful blue, which I love it so much, and it matches the costume perfectly. And then it also came with a neck, whatever this is.
It's a choker.
It's a choker!
And I also haven't finished my bangs. They're probably the most challenging thing to do in this hairstyle, because I have to be like on fleek, because Belle has really big bangs. So I'll see how I go. I'll update you guys. Actually, I'll show you putting this in first.
So I don't know if you guys know, but these are called petticoats, and they go underneath your dress to give you volume like a big princess dress. This one's mine. I just looked online and then someone close to me actually had one. I paid 50 bucks for it, but it was worth it. Hopefully it works. This is Teagan's. Hers came with her dress, which is so cool, and it works really well. See, it just like sits up like that. Cinderella wears white gloves, so these didn't come with the costume. I just bought it anyway, like extra. You could add it to your bag. So I did. When Mum brings you back Starbucks, you! Healthy princess diet starts tomorrow. Alright, so I just put some white powder in my hair just to make it look a little bit blonder up top, because for some reason the darker parts of my hair was showing, and Cinderella's really blonde, so I was like, better blonde it up. And P.S. I'm still in my pajamas. So our hair is done, our accessories are on. Now all there is to do is to actually get changed into our dresses, which is the best part. Guys, look at my choker. Look, we both got chokers on. Yes. I added this because I was gonna be naked looking. So let's do it. Smell like manure.
Nice.
Mine smells fine. So guys, this is our finished product of our Disney transformation. Teagan is clearly Belle, hopefully.
I'm Belle.
And I'm Cinderella, clearly.
Belle and Cindy.
We're besties in the Disney world. So guys, that's the end of the video for today. We really hope you enjoyed behind the scenes of
Us getting ready transformation into our favourite Disney princesses.
If you'd like to see what we did in Hollywood
As Cinderella and Belle, you'll have to watch the video that we upload on our channel, which should already be up when this is up, so
go check it out.
To see yesterday's video on Squared, click here.
See more from us on Squared, click here, and to subscribe to Squared, click here.
And if you'd like to see more from us, we post on our personal channel every Thursday, and a link to our channel will be in the description box below. We'll see you guys next time on Squared. See ya!
We're still here.